Are you looking to get a job as a developer? Well, guess what? We're taking 5 people this month and helping them get placed as a software developer. But here's the catch. I have a challenge for you that you need to solve.
Welcome to the Squid Game for Developers Challenge.
All these people you see over here, some of them have passed, but a lot of these people have been eliminated. So for example, we had Luis Menendez, who's a lead front-end engineer, apply to this from 3 Pillar Global. We've had Narcissus Marincat, who's a CTO at Hearology, participate in the Squid Games challenge. We have had Muhammad Saad Mateen apply to this, who's a lead developer at Solution Founder Information Technologies. So whether you're a complete beginner or you're more advanced, this challenge is for you. Now, we've tried to make this challenge as doable as possible for you. So it's gonna prove that you have skill, and this challenge will show that you are somebody who can either get their first job, or if you're more intermediate or advanced, you should be able to kind of breeze through it quicker. So we're judging people on that we're allowing into this program is, can you actually communicate and share your ideas and thoughts as you're solving the coding problem? Are you somebody who has the coding skills? Do you have resourcefulness? Are you Googling and Stack Overflowing stuff as necessary to solve the problem? And the test and the challenge that we're gonna give you, you can use all of those things. We don't wanna make it a whiteboard nerdy, you're sitting behind a desk and trying to solve something, because I don't think it does a good job of telling you whether you're the right person or not. We're looking for builders. If you have the ambition to build and that excites you, we're looking for you. We have our own unique process that we're using to qualify developers. 1, it's gonna be really fun. 2, it's gonna be something that allows you to build and show off your skills and Google and try everything. Whereas in other places, you can't Google stuff and they don't allow you to Stack Overflow and they look down upon it. And that's, no developer develops like that. 90% of coding is research and 10% is actually sitting there and writing code, and any real software developer will actually tell you that. You might be able to build something, but you might not be able to solve a recursive Fibonacci solution. Now for the challenge, you're gonna start with a JavaScript algorithms warm-up. So it's gonna be a couple of JavaScript algo questions. So we're keeping that stuff pretty simple. So as long as you know some JavaScript, you'll be good. Promise you, we're not reversing any linked lists here. Second, we're gonna give you some front-end challenges, which means you're gonna be building somewhat of an app and you're gonna be figuring it out. Because again, we're trying to curate a community of builders. That is the ultimate goal as well of this. So 1, of course, we can help you get a job, but 2, so all of the builders are in one place together. You might found a SaaS tomorrow. You might actually build apps tomorrow together. Who knows? Or you might just build amazing relationships with other people and other developers who are builders and love building. But only once you pass the trial of fire, the test that finds out who you are and finds out if you're a real developer or not. All right, now you've heard everything there is to hear. At this point, all you have to do is put your name, email, phone number, and you're pretty much ready to get started. You're gonna click that button to go. Now, if you're wondering, and you've been wondering what that timer above this video is, that's how much time you have left for this challenge. Once that timer runs out, you'll never see this challenge again. Good luck.